Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 87 Audi Quattro, and so this is actually the STH in this particular case, but I really don't have much luck to get the STH. But let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I think I do have this casting thing, which this came last year, I guess. But I just went with this casting because of the color scheme. So it does look really nice, but let's see how it actually looks out of the box. Okay, so the initial impressions of this casting. Okay, you can see some paint bubbling here, and on top of that, so the delivery is very simple. It is just the Audi logo, but I'm not sure. So it is supposed to be pixelated, but as usual, it does have some very little paint job issue. It does have rear view mirrors, which is really nice, and it does have headlight details, which is really good. The paint job is okay. If you ask me, it is not too good or anything. It is okay. I mean, okay, it doesn't have any details on the rear, anything at all. Okay, there are no chassis details. There is only a little bit of exhaust details here, but nothing much. So the body is entirely made of metal, including the spoiler here, and the chassis is plastic. So rims are nothing special. It's just pretty standard Hot Wheels rims. So interior looks good, as you can see here. Let's weigh this casting. Okay, 34 grams. Okay, fine. Not bad actually. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay. I don't see much of a wheel wobble in this past two tries. Let's see one more time. The front wheel wobbles a little bit. Okay, let's do another try. Yeah, front wheel wobbles a little bit, but it rolls good. It is not the worst casting. It rolls really good. That is enough. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.